When you're using Google Forms, you might want to add in things besides just the basic question templates. You might want to add in some images and videos. This is really helpful if you are making a quiz or using it as a flipped lesson learning opportunity. So I wanted to show you how you can add those in. When you are in a form, all your options show up on the right-hand side. You can add questions, you can add titles for different sections, and two of the other options are adding images and adding video. So I'm going to show you images first. So I'm going to add in an image. You can upload an image from your desktop. You can take a snapshot if you want to take a picture of something. You can also insert images by URL. And you can search your drive for images. If there's a particular image you know you have saved, you can find them in your photo albums or in your drive, or like you saw before, you can search Google for images as well. Now I found an image that I wanted to add, and so I'm going to use by URL. I'm going to go over to my tab where that image is. I have this linear graph, and I want to ask some questions about this linear graph. So I am going to copy the image address by right-clicking on it, and then I am going to paste in that image address. It finds that image, and I'm going to select that to add it into my form. So it adds the image in, and I can give my image a title. So I can say price versus weight. And you have not very many options for your images. You can change the alignment of your image. So I usually like to put my images in the center. If you click on the three vertical bars that appear at the top, you can also show a hover text. So that will be, so use this for number 1 through 3. That's what anyone will see when they hover over that particular image. Other than that, there's not really a lot you can do. So that's how you add an image. Pretty easy. You can also add a video, and video is right under image, so I'm going to show you how to do that. Again, just like when you add videos to slides and other Google apps, you have to use YouTube. So one thing you can do is you can search YouTube right from within Forms, which is pretty handy. You can also use a URL, but again, you have to use a URL to a YouTube video. So I have a video that I want to include. I'm going to go over to that video. I can use the URL that's located at the top in the Omnibox. I can also click share underneath the video and get that link. Both links will take you to the same place. I go back to my form and I'm going to paste my URL in. So there's the video that I wanted to show. It's a regression video that goes with my equation. And you can add a title. And again, not a lot of options. You can change the alignment, so or the justification. So I'm going to center it again. And when you go to the 3 horizontal dots, those are your extra options. You can provide a caption for your video if you want, and that just gives you an opportunity to add a little bit of extra text related to that video. See how to make regressions in Desmos. My kids love Desmos. That's highly suggest that you look at that if you are interested in graphing and that kind of stuff. So that's how you add an image and a video into your form. And if you want to see what that looks like, I'm going to go preview. There's my image. When I hover over it, I see my hover over text. There's my video, and it does have that caption there. Now you'll notice that all that happens is I have an image and I have a video. So if you want to add any questions associated to those images and videos that you add, you have to go in and you have to add questions related to it. There's not a way as of now to attach a question when you insert a video. But it is very handy, so now you guys know how to insert images and videos into Google Forms.